Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. And the tip is to go through a practice that you have, particularly I'm thinking of a form, something that's somewhat extensive. I'm practicing on a really slippery, fresh fallen snow. It's quite fun to test my balance on. Anyway, the idea here is to be within a ritualized practice, a form, a disciplined uh, coalescence of consciousness, circulation of awareness and intent. Go through your practice and then dance or flap or jump or spin and then return to that same disciplined, focused practice. Maybe I'm returning to a different spot in the form, but essentially what I'm doing is I'm just doing what a young child might do that we would label as misbehavior, but really what they're doing is they're reveling in their life. They're expressing a need or a connection to something, whether it's pain or disinterest or new interest or whatever. And I'm trying to kind of map or re-bridge the two things between the purported play of Tai Chi Chuan that might be overly serious and focused and correct and right and good and worthy, and then the unfocused sheer delight of life and then return. And I'm really just looking for that bridge. Perhaps one can teach the other something. Um, Children are magnificent, and they don't even have to be present for you to be witness to their magnificence. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.